Today's video is all about the recipes I prepared from a meal kit delivery service. Stay tuned to find out if they are worth getting. Hello, Culture Eater. How are you doing today? I had a pretty good week having my dinners. Yeah, it was pretty good. I prepared 3 recipes, total of 6 dinners from a meal kit delivery service that I ordered. You can check out my unboxing video that I am linking up to right now after this one. But today we are going to concentrate on a rapid view of the 3 recipes I prepared this week. We had a Vietnamese banh mi sandwich, we had a Cuban spiced steak, and we had chicken paprika with some kale lollipops and roasted chickpeas. So without further ado, let's move on to the recipes. First meal up for prep, we are going to do the pork banh mi, and it says it's going to take us about 35 minutes. Let's clock that. Here are all the ingredients that came with this recipe. Make sure to check my unboxing video to see all 3 recipes that I got. I have read through the recipe and I have taken everything out that I need to make this ahead of time. A grater will work, but I highly suggest using a mandolin if you can, and get a knife glove that doesn't let you get hurt because it can be dangerous. Alright, final assembly time. Dinner is ready, and the time is 31 minutes. So we did it under the 35 minutes. I was a little afraid from the pictures I saw online on the Good Food website that the portions would be small. But yeah, this is like totally a really good dinner portion. I didn't realize the salad was coming on the side, so that's just perfect. All right, it is a taste test time. Let's start with a bite of the banh mi. That's actually pretty good. I've had like barbecue pork Vietnamese banh mi, and I would say that's better. But for something that's like trying to be exotic, Canadian company doing that is actually really good. And let's have a taste of the salad. Salad looks really, really fresh and good. All the vegetables are really, really peak of freshness. It's very nice. All there's in it is a little bit of brown sugar, fish sauce, and rice vinegar. So it's just nicely, slightly marinated. It's very nice. Tonight we are doing smoked paprika chicken with kale lollipops, and it is 35 minutes of prep for 2 people. I have my ingredients here that were supplied. Next to that, I have the equipment I need, which includes a pan and 2 sheet pans for the oven. 35 minutes, starting the timer now. again, we are just under the 35-minute mark. Here we have our paprika chicken with our chickpeas and our kale lollipops. It's time to give it a taste test. I already cut a little piece ahead of time of the chicken. It's very nice. Could use a little more spice or garlic. The chickpeas and the kale are really, really good. Once again, I am really happy. Excellent meal. And the last recipe that I will be taping is the Cuban spiced steak with a mango cucumber salsa and rice, and it should take us about 20 minutes to prepare. Here I have all the ingredients that were sent to me, and over here I took out everything I'm going to need to prepare the recipe. All right, it should take about 20 minutes. Let's time it. A little bit longer on this one, about 4 or 5 minutes. And here we are with my third meal of week 1 of my meal kit delivery service. And this is the Cuban spiced steak. Let's give it a test. I do want to say that in this package, it's the only thing I have to complain out of all 3 meals, but the mango was really damaged. It traveled not too well and I had to cut some pieces out. But besides that, everything else has been perfect. So let's taste the steak. I like medium rare, as you see. And let's have a little bit of rice and some of the cucumber and the mango with it. I could have cooked the steak a little bit more, I think, but it tastes good. It's a little bland. This one, I gotta say, it's my least favorite out of all 3. Like Cuban, you expect some, you know, pretty more intense, powerful flavors, and this is kind of bland. So this one, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. So this is my review of the Good Food meal kits. I hope that you guys really enjoyed my preparing all 3 meals with you. So let me know, have you tried any of these meal kit delivery services? What do you think of them? Let's say my final thoughts is 2 out of 3 were really good. 1, I'm kind of disappointed, but the quality of it overall was really great. I got a coupon, $30 off my first 2 weeks, so I paid $35 Canadian, not a sponsored post. Normally it would be $65 a week for 6 dinners. That's way too expensive for my budget, and I already cook. I mean, I can usually buy about $40 worth of groceries for the entire week. So it was fun to try. If you're used to going out and spending a lot of money out at restaurants, then this could be really a great alternative. Or if you want to practice learning how to cook proper, healthy meals and really be guided through it. And if you just want to kind of learn and cook, it could be a really interesting way to do it for a while. I have 3 more coming, but I am not going to do a video. There might be a live stream coming this week, like tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow I'm going to live stream the preparation of 1 meal. So January 31st, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. See you there. Until then, this is Evelyn, always wishing you to travel and eat outside of your comfort zone. I will see you very soon. Bye.